Dear children, welcome to Marigold, class first, unit 1, part 1, a happy child. A happy child. A means one, happy means cheerful, joyful, glad. Child means a baby human being, little human being, maybe a girl or a boy, a happy child. A happy child. Today we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Question answers of a happy child. Now let us go for the first question. What is the name of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter? You have to tell the name of the chapter, name of the lesson. Yes, answer is, the name of the chapter is A Happy Child. A happy child. Now please repeat it with me. A happy child. Yes, a happy child. Please learn it. Come on. The name of the chapter is A Happy Child. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is A Happy Child. I am again repeating. Happy means glad, cheerful, joyful, and child maybe a boy or a girl. Now we come to question number 2. How is the child? How is the child? You have to give the answer according to the lesson. According to lesson. What is written there? A little child. A happy child. What is written? Child. Child means a little. Then, how is the child? Answer is, the child is happy. The child is happy. Happy again I am telling you means joyful, glad, cheerful. The question is, how is the child? How is the child? The child is happy. The child is happy. Because the name of the chapter is A Happy Child. Let us go for question number 3. What is the color of child's house? What is the color of child's house? Now you have to tell the color of child's house. Whether it is white or black or yellow or pink or red. What is written in the book? The color of child's house is red. 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 Now the next question, question number 4. What is the size of the child's house? Now you have to tell the size, whether it is big or small or little. Yes. What is the size of the child's house? Answer is, the size of the child's house is little, small. The size of the child's house is little, small. The size of the child's house is little. Little means small. Yes, the size of the child's house is, yes, come on. Little. Little means small. Then the question is, what is the size of the child's house? The size of the child's house is little. Now question number 5. What does the child do whole day long? What does the child do whole day long? What does the child do all the day, all the times? In the evening, in the morning, at noon. What does he do? He laughs and plays. He laughs and plays. The child laughs, L-A-U-G-H-S, laughs, and plays the whole day long. The child laughs and plays the whole day long. The child laughs and plays the whole day long. Please learn it. Now the next question, number 6. What does the child hardly do? What does the child hardly do? The child laughs and plays the whole day long. So, there is no place for weeping or crying or to be sad. What does the child hardly do? Answer is, the child hardly ever cries. The child hardly ever weeps. What does the child hardly do? Answer is, the child hardly ever cries. The child hardly ever cries. Now the question number 7. How many trees does the child have? How many trees How many trees does the child have? Answer, the child has one tree. The child has only one tree. How many trees does the child have? How many trees does the child have? Answer is, the child has one tree. The child has one tree. Can you tell me what is the color of that tree? Please tell. Green. Yes. Then, how many trees does the child have? The child has one tree. Now the next question, question number 8. What is the color of child's tree? What is the color of child's tree? Answer, the color of child's tree is green. The color of child's tree is green. We know the color of the leaves is green. Therefore, a tree is green. Although the stem of the tree is not green. That is brown. Stem. Stem is brown. But leaves are green. Therefore, we tell the tree is green. The tree is green, or the color of the tree is green. Therefore, the answer is, the color of child's tree is green. Question number 9. What does the tree do for the child? What does the tree do for the child? What does the tree do for the child? As your mother gives you milk, food, etc., in the same manner, what does the tree do for the child? The answer is, the tree shades the child. The tree provides shadow to the child from sun rays. And also you see in the picture, his swing is also fixed on the tree. Yes, there is a girl, so her swing is also fixed on the tree. Question number 10. What does the child do when the play is done? When his play is over, so what does he do? What does she do? What does the child do when the play is done or the play is over? Answer. The child often sits under the tree. Often means many times, several times, again and again. The child often sits under the tree when the play is done or when the play is over. The child often sits under the tree. The child often sits under the tree when the play is done or when the play is over. Now question number 11. What is the child doing in the picture? You are seeing the picture on page number 1 of your book. The question is, what is the child doing in the picture? In the photo? Answer. The child is swinging. S-W-I-N-G, swinging. On a swing in the picture. The child is swinging on a swing in the picture. Come on, learn it. The child is swinging on a swing in the picture. Yes, shabash. The child is swinging. The child is swinging. Where? On a swing. And where is the swing? In the picture. That is in the picture. Now let us learn some word meanings now. Happy. Happy means glad. Happy means glad. Play. Play means to do something for getting happiness. For getting some physical strength. Physically fitness. Hardly, rarely. Hardly, rarely. Very less. Or never. And laugh, you know what do you mean by laugh? Smile. There is a difference between smile and laugh. Laugh means ha 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 ha. Laugh means ha 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 ha. Done? Happy, glad, play to do something for getting happiness or for getting physical fitness. Hardly, rarely. And laugh means to be happy. Shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade. To protect from the heat and light of the sun. Shade. Sun, you know what do you mean by sun? One is S-U-N, sun, that shines in the sky in the morning, that gives you heat and light. Yes. Then a star, and you please remember this thing. Sun is a star. Sun is a star that shines during the daytime. That shines during the daytime. It rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Shade. To protect from the heat and light of the sun. Sun, S-U-N, not S-O-N. It is S-U-N. A star that shines during the daytime. Under. U-N-D are under. Below. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Done. Finished. The work is done. Completed. Done. Finished. Completed. Over. Done is the third form of do. Do, did, done. You have to learn it. Do, did, done. Please learn it. Come on. Do, did, done. In the same manner, finish, finished, finished. Now next is cry. When you are not happy. When you are not happy, then at that stage you cry. Cry means weep. Weep. Or shout, cry. Now the next is enjoy. ENJOY, enjoy. When you are happy, you enjoy the moments. Poem, 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 you know. You read it. You are reading your lesson number 1, A Happy Child. It's a poem. Little, small. You are a little girl or you are a little boy. Tree. A very big plant with a strong stem is called tree. That may be a mango tree, that may be a peepal tree, that may be a neem tree. Shine. Shine. The sun shines in the sky during the daytime. Shine. Often means many times. Often means several times, many times. House. HOUSE, house. You know house. And day. Day and night. Day. When sun is there in the sky, it is day. When sun is not there, moon is there, it is night. Questions from the book, page number 2. Now, questions from the book, page number 2. What is the color of the happy child's house? You know the answer. Red. The color of the happy child's house is red. 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 The color of the happy child's house is red. What is the color of the happy child's house? The color of the happy child's house is red. Come on, learn it. The color of the happy child's house, is red. Is red. Therefore, the full answer is the color of the happy child's house is red. Come on. Question number 2. What is the color of your house? You have to tell the color of your house. Either it is black or white or pink or yellow or blue or green, orange. Please check it and write in your notebook. What is the color of your house? HOUSE, house. What is the color of your house? The color of our houses or the color of my houses. You can write any of the 2 words, either my or our. The color of my houses, you have to select it and you have to write which color is. Okay? The color of, suppose it is pink, then you will write the color of my house is pink. If it is yellow, you have to write the color of my house is yellow. Now a very frequent question. What is the color of a tree? What is the color of the tree? What is the color of the tree? What is the color of the tree? Please remember this thing. The color is identified with the color of leaves. Then the color of the tree is green. The color of the tree is green. I am asking you the question now. Please give the answer. What is the color of the tree? What is the color of the tree? Please give the answer. Come on. Yes. The color, shabash, of the tree is green. Now tell it. Come on. The color of the tree is green. The color of the tree is green. Now the next beautiful question. Question number 4. What is the color of the sun? S-U-N, sun. What is the color of the sun? The color of the sun is red in the morning. The color of the sun is red in the morning. But at noon, it is white, bright white. And again in the evening, it becomes red. Sometimes it is orange. Yes, the color of the sun is red in the morning. What is the color of the sun? The color of the sun is red in the morning. And at noon it is white. And at noon it is white. At noon it is white. Now question number 5. Is there a tree? Is there a tree growing near our house? Is there a tree growing near your house? Is it big or small? Is it big or small? Answer, yes, there are many trees growing near our house. If there are several trees, many trees, then you have to write many trees. And if there is only one tree, then you will write, yes, there is a tree growing near our house. And you have to check the size of that tree, either that is a big or small. You have to write that yourself, okay? See the tree and write the size. You have to check the size of the tree and you have to write it yourself. Come on. Yes, there are many trees growing near our house, or yes, there is a tree growing near our house. Now the question is, do you like that tree? Do you like the tree? Yes or no, you please write. If yes, then you write, yes, I like the tree. What is the name of the tree? You have to write it also. What is the name of the tree? The name of the tree is, you have to check it out. Either people or neem or mango. Yes? Done? You can do it. Now I am telling you the kinds of houses written in your book. Hut, igloo, flat and bungalow. Yes? These are the types of kinds of houses. Hut, igloo, flat and bungalow. Now, how do you feel? How do you feel? Either happy or sad? Either happy or sad. When you get a new dress, always happy, ha ha ha. And when you get hurt, when there is a pain, then you are sad. Then you become sad. When you share your things among your friends, among your parents, with your sister, then you are all happy. Sharing is a good thing. When you all are ill, when you all are ill, when you are ill or you are sick, you are not physically fit, then naturally you are sad. Then when you get a new dress, happy. When you get hurt, sad. When you share your things, happy. And when you are ill, you are sad. The pupil who lives in your home. The pupil, you have to write the names of the pupil lives in your home. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, cousin. Yes? Now you have to write how many people live in your house. How many people live in your house? That is not your house, that is the grandfather's house, grandmother's house. No problem, but it is now your house. Then you have to write the number. 10 people live in my house, 5 people live in my house. You can write it yourself, count and write. Okay? Now you have to sing it. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. Jack is telling, yes, I will. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. It's on page number 4. Now there is one little poem on page number 6. Monkey, monkey on a tree, swing, 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 swing. What is the poem? Monkey, monkey on a tree. Monkey, monkey on a tree, swing, 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 swing. Monkey, monkey on a tree. Monkey, monkey on a tree. Swing, 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 swing. You have to repeat these 2 poems at least 10 times after the completion of this video. Now, Name of the animal and their babies. Name of the animal and name of the animals and their babies. Name of the animals and their babies. Dog, pup, cow, calf, butterfly, caterpillar, larva, pupa, kangaroo, joy, lion, cub, duck, duckling, cat, kitten, pig, piglet, easiest, pig, piglet, dog, pup, cow, calf, butterfly, caterpillar, larva, pupa, kangaroo, joy, lion, cub, duck, duckling, cat, kitten, pig, piglet, bear, cub, monkey, infant monkey, or only infant, snake, snakelet, neonate, alligator, hatchling, cock, chick, tiger, cub, spider, spiderling, rat, pup, shark, pup, and sheep, it is lamb. Please, my children, learn these all well. Please learn all these well. Yes, name of the animals and name of babies. Name of baby. Now the chapter is over. The part 1 is over. Part 1 is over. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.